If you're choosing between Revizto and Autodesk Navisworks, this isn't a simple comparison. They're built for different stages of construction workflow. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Revizto is all about collaboration. It's designed as a centralized platform where architects, engineers, and contractors can review models, track issues, and communicate in real time. It combines 3D models with issue tracking, VR support, and cloud collaboration, making it easier for teams to stay aligned throughout a project. The biggest advantage is workflow. Everything is in one place, and teams can resolve problems faster. The downside is that it's less focused on deep technical analysis compared to traditional BIM tools. Navisworks, on the other hand, is a technical workhorse. It's primarily a project review and coordination tool that combines models from different software and runs clash detection, simulations, and construction sequencing. It's widely used in pre-construction to identify issues before building begins, and it handles complex, multidisciplinary models very well. The trade-off is usability. It's more complex, less intuitive, and not as strong in real-time collaboration. So the real difference is this. Revizto focuses on collaboration and issue tracking, while Navisworks focuses on technical coordination and clash detection. If you want a modern, easy-to-use platform for team collaboration and project communication, Revizto is the better choice. If you need deep model coordination, advanced clash detection, and detailed construction simulation, Navisworks is a better tool. Bottom line, Revizto is better for collaboration and workflow, while Navisworks is better for technical BIM coordination. And in many real projects, teams actually use both together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.